Mabuhay! It's your girl, NJ. It's your girl, Chad.
Here's another A Day in My Life working in BGC. Yeah, char.
Maaga akong pumasok dahil high collab day natin for today's video. At in fairness, fresh ako dito aminin mo. Charad! Our coffee for today is from Zeus Cafe Latte. At in fairness, masarap siya and mas affordable compared to other leading brands. Charad! Pag-akyat sa workstation, ayan, binigyan ako ni JL ng chocolate fudge from Davao. And then at 6 p.m., ayan, at high collab day na namin, at isa ako sa punong abala.
Summer team building videos yan ng mga gagawin nating activities. May video yan from When in Manila.
And then ito naman si Ali sharing her experience sa inatanan niyang softcon. And then after the ganap, of course, may pagkain si Boss. Ayan, pastries from Purple Oven.
Okay! Ayan, yung mga kumakain. Ayan si Seske. Perfect. Ayan, si John Tees, dala-dalawang box ang kinuha. Ay, walang laman.
And then this is us on the way to dinner. Ayan, buti pa yung mga halaman na didiligan.
Charot! Team Noodles, mild spicy, silver one. Please mix well to your ramen. Thank you.
Thank you.
Tadakimasu is kalit. Charot! So dito kami sa Shibere kumain. Masarap naman siya, kaso nga medyo pricey. So kumakain lang kami dyan pag nakakaluwag-luwag na. Charot! After dinner, of course, balik tayo sa work. Ano to? Ayan, meeting-meeting lang. Eme-eme, chuchu-chuchu, ganun. Charot! And then after shift, meron kami pa baby shower for John Kiss.
Okay, napapalaro si Seske. Ses Ray. Ses John Tees. Then, here comes the sun around the world.
Congrats, Ses Ayi. And of course, congratulations to John Tees dahil nanganak na siya. Ayan. Yes po, opo, nanganak na siya. Sa sobrang tagal ng pag-i-edit ko dito, ayan, nanganak na siya.
And that's it for today. See you on the next one. Bye! Parang kulang. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye!